When you have a good strategy that you use to approach the market, that is when you will be able to extract some pips from the market. I'm talking about profits. You know, when you have a good strategy in the market or a good strategy that you use to approach the forex market, that is when you have a chance of extracting profits. You will only make that $10,000 you want to make, that $2,000, that $1,000, that $100, $500. When you have a good strategy that you use to trade the forex market, when it's your strategy does not sucks. Your strategy, it works on a $500 account, it will also work well on a $500,000 prop firm account. Now in this video, I will be sharing with you guys the moving average strategy that I found or I learned, then I rebranded it, and I'm going to share it with you guys. So please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, because what I'm about to share with you, you are going to profit from it, you are going to make a lot of money from it, and also learn some values from it, right? So with that being said, let's get started on the nitty-gritties of this video. So right now you can see this clean chart. Now the reason why this spread is wide like this is because this market has closed. You guys know when market closes, the spread is always wide. If you don't know what the spread is, between this red line and this green line, the distance between these two lines is the spread. Like, you know, spread, SPREAD, right? So the spread, you know, the distance between the bid and ask price and the ask price, that is the spread of any market. You see, spread is how the brokers make their money. So don't, it's not something new, it is something normal. The brokers that you are trading from, maybe SNS, Bybit broker. If you don't know, Bybit now have a forex broker partnership, so I have trade with them. This is even a Bybit account right now. You can see Bybit live. I have a live account with Bybit, so they offer you MT5 to trade with on a forex, to trade crypto, gold, and many other assets like that. So the broker you are trading with, they make money from spread and commissions and other things. So the spread is only wide because the market has grown. Right now we're going to be talking about the moving average strategy that I used to make about $40,000 when trading with the competition. But also I've always done money, that strategy to extract a lot of pips from the market. So do well to like this video, like I said, subscribe to the channel so this channel will grow and reach out to so many people out there on the forex space. And let's get started on today's tutorial. Right now on your MT5, you guys already know. If you don't know how to use MT5, I have a full detailed video on how to use MT5 on my playlist. You see it on there. Go and watch my videos on my playlist right there to know how to use MT5 like this. Click on this end button right here, click on the plus sign and click on the moving average. Set the period to 10, shift is 0. It's exponential moving average. Apply to median price, so the candle closes. The moving average will tell you the movement based on the median price of the candle close. After that, you can put the color at red. So that is the moving average right now. Then click on save. After that, you will see it on the screen, and that's the red moving average. This line that is showing, this tiny line, is the moving average. So in case you don't know what moving average is, it's an indicator that tells you the direction of the price, where the price close, the candlestick close. I have a full detailed video of candlestick. Go and watch it on my playlist so you can understand it more better. So it will tell you the direction or where the candlesticks close, where it might likely go to next. So the other moving average, you have two moving average on this strategy. The second moving average is also exponential moving average. Period 20, median price, leave it as it is, and yes, exponential, median, and yes, put the color at, I'm going to put the color at white. Good. Click on save and go back to the chart, you see it. So this is how the strategy works. It's very simple, right? In case of a buy signal, this is how you trade. And you trade with this strategy during the forex market sessions, like maybe the New York session, the London session, overlap session, those major sessions that trend. If you don't know about forex market session, I also teach that on my playlist. Go and watch my playlist, you will see about forex market session. Now you want to trade this trade during the forex market session, but it also happens during other sessions like Asian session, Tokyo session, Sydney session, and other stuff. The strategy also works, but it happens more better during those major sessions. Right now, you want to see, in the case of a buy signal, before the market will trade, you want to jump on a trade. Whenever you have a cross like this from the white moving average to the red, what happened here? You see the white moving average crossed the red moving average. The 10 moving average crossed the 20 exponential moving average. That is, it crossed it to the upside and it closed there. It crossed it like that. It was coming. They crossed together to the upside. That signifies a buy signal. A buy, meaning the price is about to move all the way to the upside. And after that, what happens? After that cross, what happens? This market trend. Sorry about this. It trends to the upside. So if, for example, I spot this cross happening, remember it is during New York session or overlap session or London session, the major sessions. If you don't know about forex market sessions, I teach that on the forex market on my playlist. Go and watch them, you see it there. So I will just bring in my lot size. Maybe I'm risking just few pips. Say I'm using about 0.01 lot size. Let me just risk a little bit. 0.1 lot size, good. My stop loss about $7 worth of stop loss. My take profit will just be $14, or let me just risk more, $10. So after that, what happened? The market moved exactly and hit my take profit. Meaning, even though I was targeting $14, that is 1:2, risking $7 to get $14. I will still make that money. You see, it easily just hit my take profit. That is the power of this moving average. When it crossed, you do not want to play. You see this, what this cross can do for you. This cross that happened here, at the cross, what happened? The market, the price pushed all the way to the upside, straight to the take profit. I made sharp $14. Even if I was trading with a one lot size, even if I was trading with a one lot size, I will still make about $145. That is in case of a buy signal, a buy opportunity for moving average. Now, in the case of a sell signal, it's the same thing. You just have to look for when the market had a cross on major sessions. In case like, let me see, these are all buying opportunities. You can see the strategy, it works. Look at buying opportunities. Let's look for a much more perfect example. That's you can see a perfect example right here. Don't play with this strategy, it works. I have used it for the past years and it has been wonderful for me. When I found this strategy, I used my own personal experience, went along with it, and guess what? The results were massive. In a $10,000 competition account, I took that $10,000 to $40,000 with this moving average strategy alone. Top down analysis is perfect. I add it to it and it works like magic. So the same thing happened here. Whenever you have this cross, please, if you are enjoying this video, like this video and also subscribe to the channel so this video can reach out to a lot of people out there in the YouTube space, right? We make money on the forex market with this strategy every day. Extract $100, $200 with this strategy. You see, this moving average was coming down, the red moving average is coming down. What happens? The white moving average came and crossed it. That is what happened here. After that cross, that signifies a selling opportunity, meaning the price is about to push to the downside. After that, what happens? This market push all the way massively because it is during the major market session or probably overlap session. But either ways, it is during, you know, when you are trading that when these things happen, they happen on major market sessions. So after then, what happens? You just need to come here, put in your stop loss. If you have a $1,000 account, your stop loss will be somewhere here. Sell stop will be here. That gives us the sell stop and stop sell limit. In the case of a sell trade, it's called a sell limit. You can see it here. In case of a buy trade, it's called a buy stop. So if you want to take a sell, you put it here. It's like a trap. Whenever the price hits this order, the trade will automatically execute. That is what it means. Then stop loss is just how much you want to risk. If, for example, you have $100, I want to risk just $10, $50 to trade. Then take profit is how much you are targeting. Maybe you want to make a profit of $100, $200, like over here is showing about $132, meaning that is where I'm targeting this market to get to secure it for me. So that is with the meaning of stop loss and take profit. Don't worry, in the more subsequent videos, I will talk more about take profit and stop loss. For the now, let's talk about moving average. Back to what I was saying. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel so this video can reach out to other traders that love content like this. After this cross of this moving average, what happened? This market pushed all the way to the downside, straight to the take profit. And what did it smash it? Yes, it smashed the take profit, meaning if you took this trade when this thing happened, you would have made sharp $133. If you are trading with a 1K account, sorry, 2 lot size, that is $266. If you are in profit, you don't need to make $300. You already make about 4% of your account with this moving average strategy. So don't play with it, it works, right? So this is the case of a selling opportunity when a moving average cross, it pushed to the downside. In case of a buy trend, when it crossed to the upside, like I explained earlier, like somewhere here, a perfect example. So if you are taking this sell, you are making this money all the way. You made this money all the way to the downside. As soon as you see that moving average has crossed somewhere here, the white moving average has crossed with the red moving average to the upside like this, which is what happens around here. If you take a clear zoom at it, you see the cross happen to the upside. That means this price is about to move from the downside right here all the way above. Immediately taking your order, put your 2 lot size or any based on your capital. If you can reach $68, you'll be targeting about how much? $173. So that is it, right? After that, take profit, hit. In the case of that uptrend, you will see the market trend all the way to the upside. You can see the market came down right here and pushed right here in case of a sell. After the moving average have crossed about somewhere here, the cross, you take that sell trade and you see the market make money from you. Package this strategy. You think this doesn't work, go over to your MT5, just put in watch the video from the beginning. You see the settings of the exponential moving average. After you see the settings of the exponential moving average, test it on your MT5 or your other trading platform that you used to trade. You will see the magic works. In case of a buy trade, you can see the market just crossed somewhere, the moving average cross with the red moving average, the white moving average cross with the red moving average, and what happens, it pushed all the way to the upside. In case of a buy trade, you would have made that money to the upside. So that is it, guys. Moving average strategy, it works. Don't give up on forex. Forex can really turn your life around. If you know what you're doing, you will see forex trading, it really helped me turn my life for good, like change things for me. So forex can really help you. Don't play with forex, guys. Forex trading, it works. So do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Do well as well to share this video to your friends and your guys that are trading. Let me hear your comment on your thoughts on the comment section. Test this strategy and come back and tell me what is the result of your back testing. Don't criticize something if you have not actually seen what it does. So back test this strategy on your MT5 on your trading platform and come back here and tell me your results. Thank you for watching this video. I'm going to catch you guys on my next video. This is Praiseman FS signing out. Take it easy and peace out. Love you guys. Bye.